Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact 0 reset turn Azure Latch model and supplying stable 12V DC. Once done, connect ground first, then plus 12V to avoid transient resets. This prevents damage. You will engage the mechanical release by turning the manual actuator 45 degrees counterclockwise while holding the reset button. Make sure to hold for 2 seconds to let the internal capacitor charge. This first step wakes the latch and sets the internal state so the 0 reset sequence can proceed reliably. You now perform the timed 0 reset pattern precisely because the latch uses a sequence lock to avoid accidental resets. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds, then release for 1 second, press again for 2 seconds. Immediately turn the actuator clockwise to the index detent. This aligns the internal cam. Make sure to watch the LED. Amber shows the latch is sequencing, and green indicates the 0 has been accepted. If you rush, the state machine will ignore the attempt. Timing matters. You finish by verifying green blinks and testing mechanical free travel across the latch stroke. This proves the 0 reset took effect. If you do not see green, wait 30 seconds for internal timeout and repeat the exact sequence. Do not vary hold times. If it still fails, power down and inspect the 2A fuse, wiring polarity, and actuator alignment. Misalignment prevents cam engagement. One troubleshooting tip. A persistent amber LED usually means the actuator did not reach the detent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.